Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Being CA with Preet. I am CA Navpreet and in today's video we are going to talk all about section 194 IA. Section 194 IA deals with the requirement of TDS deduction by the buyer at the time of purchase of immovable property. Yes, you heard me right. It is the buyer's responsibility to deduct TDS at the time of purchase of immovable property. सो जब भी बायर कोई इमूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी खरीदता है एंड उस प्रॉपर्टी की वैल्यू 50 लाख से ज़्यादा है देन द बायर इज लाइबल टू डिडक्ट टीडीएस एट द टाइम ऑफ मेकिंग पेमेंट टू द सेलर। इसका मतलब ये भी है अगर प्रॉपर्टी की वैल्यू 50 लाख से कम है तो बायर को टीडीएस डिडक्ट नहीं करना है। ऑल्सो विद इफेक्ट फ्रॉम 1 सितंबर 2019 सेल कंसिडरेशन ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी shall include all the charges paid to the seller, which includes parking fee, maintenance fee, electricity fee, or any other charges which are incidental to the transfer of the property. Now let's talk about the rate of deduction of TDS. Buyer has to deduct TDS at the rate of 1% of the sale consideration. अब आप में से कुछ लोगों को ये भी डाउट आएगा कि अगर बायर सेलर को इंस्टॉलमेंट्स में पेमेंट करता है तो क्या तब भी टीडीएस की लायबिलिटी आएगी? क्या तब उस केस में भी बायर को टीडीएस डिडक्ट करना है या फिर उस केस में टीडीएस की लायबिलिटी नहीं आएगी? सो आई विल रिजॉल्व दिस क्वेरी एज वेल। बायर चाहे पेमेंट्स इंस्टॉलमेंट में करे या एक लमसम पेमेंट करे, दोनों ही केस में टीडीएस की लायबिलिटी आएगी। अगर बायर सेलर को इंस्टॉलमेंट की पेमेंट करता है तो उस केस में हर इंस्टॉलमेंट पे उसको टीडीएस डिडक्ट करना है एंड टीडीएस डिपॉजिट करना है। Now the next question that will come to your mind will be requirement of TAN, that is tax deduction account number for making TDS payment. So my answer to this question is that there is no such requirement for obtaining TAN number. A buyer doesn't need to obtain TAN number before making payment of TDS at the time of purchase of property. You can just make the payment of TDS while purchasing a property by using your PAN number and the seller's PAN number. In case the seller's PAN number is not available with you, then the TDS rate will increase to 20%. So it's better that you make your TDS payment using your PAN number and the seller's PAN number, so the TDS rate of deduction will be 1% of the total sale consideration. That means जब भी बायर कोई immovable property खरीदता है और उस प्रॉपर्टी की वैल्यू 50 लाख से ज़्यादा है देन द बायर इज लाइबल टू डिडक्ट टीडीएस एट द टाइम ऑफ मेकिंग पेमेंट टू द सेलर। सो दैट मीन्स पैन नंबर ऑफ बोथ बायर एंड सेलर आर मैंडेटरी। नेक्स्ट लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट कि ये टीडीएस डिडक्ट कब करना है। टीडीएस या तो पेमेंट के टाइम पे डिडक्ट कर सकते हैं या फिर जब भी आप अमाउंट सेलर को क्रेडिट करते हैं तब टीडीएस डिडक्ट कर सकते हैं। इन दोनों में से जो भी पहले होगा विच एवर इज अर्लियर तब हमें टीडीएस डिडक्ट करना है। एंड यहाँ पेमेंट इंक्लूड्स इंस्टॉलमेंट पेमेंट्स ऑल्सो। जब भी आप इंस्टॉलमेंट की पेमेंट करेंगे तब भी आपको टीडीएस डिडक्ट करना है। नाउ टिल व्हेन यू हैव टू डिपॉजिट द टीडीएस डिडक्टेड टू द गवर्नमेंट। सो लेट मी टेल यू दैट देयर इज अ फिक्स टाइमलाइन टू डू दिस। सो जिस भी मंथ में आप टीडीएस डिडक्ट करते हैं उस मंथ एंड की 30 डेज़ के अंदर अंदर आपको टीडीएस का पेमेंट करना है। अ बायर हैज़ टू मेक द टीडीएस पेमेंट विद इन 30 डेज यूजिंग चालान फॉर्म 26 QB विच इज़ अवेलेबल ऑन द 10-NSTL वेबसाइट। सो पहले बायर ने टीडीएस डिडक्ट किया एंड देन उस टीडीएस की पेमेंट करी। After making the payment, buyer also has to furnish TDS certificate in Form 16B to the seller. This Form 16B can be downloaded from the Traces website. ये Form 16B आपको TDS डिपॉजिट करने के अराउंड 15 डेज़ के बाद Traces की वेबसाइट से मिल जाएगा। And then you can download the same and issue it to the seller. Now I am going to explain all this with the help of an example. So let's say Mr. X is the buyer and Mr. Y is the seller. Mr. X is going to purchase a property from Mr. Y for rupees 57 lakhs in the financial year 21-22. Mr. X also has to pay 2 lakhs towards parking fee and 1 lakh towards electricity fee to the seller. So now we will have to include this parking fee and electricity fee payable to the seller in the total sale consideration. So in this example, our total sale consideration will be 57 lakhs plus 2 lakh plus 1 lakh. That amounts to 60 lakhs. The buyer has to deduct TDS at the rate of 1%, which in this case will be 1% of 60 lakhs, that is 60,000. Now Mr. X makes the lump sum payment to Mr. Y on 1st of August 2021 towards the purchase of property. So as per the timeline, Mr. X is bound to deduct TDS at the time of payment or credit, whichever is earlier. So in this case, Mr. X has deducted TDS on the payment date, which is 1st of August. So he needs to deposit the same within 30 days from the month end in which he has made the payment. That means he has to make the payment of TDS till 30th September. And after making payment, he also have to issue TDS certificate to the seller. Now let's move forward to the last part of the video, that is steps to make payment of TDS through Challan Form 26QB. So the step 1 will be, first you need to log into the tin-nstl.com website. Once you have logged into that website, you need to select services from the tab and click on e-payment pay taxes online option. Now a new tab will open. Just scroll down and then you can find Challan Form 26QB. Click on proceed button on that tab, TDS on property form 26QB. Step 3. Now a new screen will appear. इस पेज पे हमें पहले टैक्स पेयर इन्फो भरनी है. अगर आप एक कॉर्पोरेट टैक्स पेयर हैं, मतलब इफ़ यू आर अ कंपनी, देन आपको 0020 सेलेक्ट करना है. एंड इफ़ यू आर अ नॉन कॉर्पोरेट टैक्स पेयर, देन यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट 0021. Details like financial year, assessment year and type of payment auto populate हो जाएंगी. After that, you just need to fill in necessary details like whether you are a resident or a non-resident, PAN number of the buyer and seller. After filling in the PAN details, click on the next button. Now on the next screen, you need to fill in the address details, email ID and mobile number of the transferor and the transferee. Transferor will be the seller and transferee means the buyer. Also select whether there are more than one buyer or one seller. After filling all this information, you need to click on next button. Now on the next screen, fill in the complete address of the property transferred. जो भी प्रॉपर्टी बायर ने परचेज करी है, उस प्रॉपर्टी की सारी डिटेल्स हमें इस पेज पे डालनी है. Buyer also has to fill in the date of agreement or booking, total value of the sale consideration, payment type, date of payment or credit and the date of tax deduction. Buyer को amount paid or credited and tax deposit details भी fill करनी है. After filling all this, click on the next button and lastly, you need to fill in the payment information. On this screen, you need to select the mode of payment, whether you are going to make the immediate payment or you are going to pay on a subsequent date. Select that and select the mode of payment and the name of the bank. Now, fill in the CAPTCHA code and click on proceed button. Remember, you can always change the data already filled by you by going to previous tab before making the final payment. After proceeding the payment information page, you just have to review and confirm all the data filled by you before proceeding with the payment part. Once you have confirmed all the data filled by you, you can just click on submit button and make the payment. So this is all about section 194 IA. Now I hope that you are clear about who has to deduct TDS, how much to deduct, when to pay and how to make the TDS payment. Still, if you have any query regarding this, you can always tell me in my comment section or email your queries at our email ID. If you like this video, do give it a like and share it with your friends and colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Being CA with Preet for more such tax related videos. Thank you.